So, not too long ago, I 3D printed this joystick for my Xbox One controller. And I was on Thingiverse today, and I found this one. It's designed by the same guy, so I bet it's going to be amazing. And as you can see, this one's a hair more advanced. It actually has buttons up here that control down here, and possibly even a working throttle. So, let's make this. Okay, so this is the flexible parts and the handle. This should honestly take about 17 hours to print. So bear with me, hopefully this prints on the first try. I'm probably going to print this in glow in the dark. Now, the second print's going to be the buttons and like the linkages. That one's only about 3 hours. And the third and final print's going to be the part that mounts to the controller. That'll take about 6 hours. So let's get this thing started. Alright, let's start out with the longest print. So far, the first layer is looking pretty good. And I think I'm going to do the other two parts on my Prusa Mini. They'll be done by the time the other print's done. Cool, this will only take 2 hours. And this will only take 4. Since I'm doing the other two parts on this printer, it should take the print time instead of 24 hours to just 16 hours. Well, total print time, I should say. It almost worked. We'll come back to that. Let's do the Xbox mount. And honestly, after 3 hours, it's looking pretty good. It messed up. So let's put some hairspray down and give it another go. Hopefully this one works better. But I honestly won't know until the morning because it's quite late and I'm going to go to bed. So I hope this prints overnight. And after 3 hours, this one's doing pretty good too. Alright, the controller mount's done. And this print is messed up again. So it looks like I'm going to have to print it with the brim. Okay, I reworked the links. And this should be done shortly. Hopefully the brim and the extra hairspray helps this. I'll check back in a little bit. Hopefully it's still printing. Now, how did this happen? And how did that happen? Okay, I fixed it. Hopefully this time it works. I also fixed this one. And so far this one looks pretty good too. Yeah, my CR10's having trouble with this one. So we'll see if it works on this one. Yeah, this is the other mess. And it's almost done. And I think it's actually going to finish. Finally. Finally got this file printed. So I ran out of plastic mid-print. And my filament sensor actually worked. So I grabbed another blue and we'll see how this goes. 3 hours left. So when I made the filament switch, this plastic broke in the extruder gears. So let's try it again. So far so good. Hopefully I don't jinx myself. And I'm going to try and do the linkages on the CR10. Hopefully it works. The linkage is finished. Finally. And the handle also finally finished. So let's try and put this thing together. These buttons were such a pain to hook up. I had to add different parts. As you can see, because some are black and some are the glow in the dark. Now I just need to finish it up and try it out. And it works amazing. But there's some areas I need to glue down. So I'm just going to use my 3D printer pen. Then I'll put it on my controller and try it out. This is the old one. And here's the new one. So which one do you like better? Now let's do some gameplay. I think this thing works amazing. It's extremely responsive, and it feels more durable than the old one. But what do you think? Let me know.